Trying to take away from a nigga. Fucking with the kid and pray for your niggas.
Hey.
I'm off.
Alright, so off of that ending, we will be going back to the car meets later on today. It's currently 11, but I know last video it was dark when we tried filming the actual intro and things like that. So I'm gonna record this right now, alright? So if y'all say like, oh, why the fuck is it dark now? Like, yeah, because this is earlier, way earlier. It's 11 in the morning, you know? But yeah, we're gonna be throwing out this banger. I think it's gonna be me and my cousin, or I don't know if we're gonna go solo or whatever. But we're going to the car meets. That's all I know. Alright, like, subscribe, enjoy the video.
That nigga's weak, son. What's up?
This nigga. Now I'm recording the cars. Alright, so we're currently at BK right now. Everybody's starting to roll out to Lore Whacker. Anything for the camera? Anything for the camera? Alright,
I want my chicken.
You want my chicken? Big old lineup. This one looks decent. Alright, we'll hit you guys up when we get to Lore Whacker.
Yeah, I'll put some Mexican rap, right?
Is this some Mexican rap?
Rap.
That's not Mexican rap. That's fake ass trap. Nah.
Hey, yo. Santa Fe.
You got it?
Con el rabo, ajá, yeah, yo. Me dicen pandillero cuando salgo a la calle. El respeto es primero, ahí es donde está el detalle. Yo vengo desde cero, algunos quieren que falle. Ni estando muerto van a poder hacer que me calle. Haciendo mi dinero, me lo busco en la calle. El respeto es primero, ahí es donde está el detalle. Yo vengo desde cero, algunos quieren que falle. Ni estando muerto van a poder hacer que me calle. Ya no puedo andar paseándome, estoy tranquilizándome. Afuera están buscándome, estilo estoy pasando. Dándole, taqueándolo, por México radica, los guachos no suplican, mi freestyle le salpica, toda mi flota brinca.
I love you, Mom.
Nah. For real. Hey, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Have a good day.
Nah. Nah. Yeah, shorty right there was tripping hard. Damn.
She said, there's a bathroom in
Alright, so we're already getting in trouble, you know? All crazy. She said, there's a bathroom in there, you know? Damn. Look, we should post up right here and take a picture through there. You want to? The guy's right there though. The fucking guy that.
Oh, yeah.
You fucking could use it and take it over there.
That lady said, hey, there's a bathroom over there.
Hey, you know there's a bathroom in there? Oh, nah.
We're like, hey, I know.
All the group downtown area. Let's go. Everything is packed today.
Fucking 5-0.
For real.
Man, their pissy ass better hurry up.
And that's why you never bring a girl to Carmi.
And they're lucky gonna drag, bro.
For real.
It's because they just got in too. You should have went inside, nigga. You're right there, all in the open.
Homie?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck, bro.
Yeah, I feel you, but still.
Said, I don't get no fucks, nigga.
Look at Claudia, they're being scared at.
Damn. Y'all drag long enough.
Oh my gosh, it's my first Harmony. Oh my god, how do you like it? Look over that side. Other side, Cloud, other side. Other side. Other side. I'm gonna bottom of the car right now. Like a thing.
Why you asking?
Hey, Neil, tomorrow, bro.
Like, why you
What?
Tomorrow, bro.
Damn, man, skipping off.
Nah, this is why you don't get a Jeep.
Why?
Well, they're slow.
They're there for the aesthetics and stuff.
That's why I don't whip mine. Shit's slow.
Hey, but every bitch wants a Jeep though. I want a buggy.
I want fast, man.
You almost hit it, right?
Yeah, that nigga almost hit his head.
Oh, man.
Casi le pegan!
Look it up.
Anthony, if he hits you, I'm
Anthony.
throwing that fucking
Anthony.
Nah, chill.
Anthony.
No pasa nada! Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Damn!
Damn. Yo, what's up, guys? This a completely different day. I think this was recorded on Friday. Today's Monday. And damn. All right. So on this video, I'm currently editing. As you guys can see, barely editing and things like that. I know it wasn't as interesting. This is part one. This was a car meet on Friday. I guess police weren't on their stuff. They were not letting us like stop at all. But on the next day, Saturday, we went for part two, and you guys will get to see part one and part two. Part two, there was more standing around and things like that. Unfortunately, we only got to go for like an hour or so before like police actually got like kind of hot, and it was worth it though. Met some cool people, things like that. And yeah, basically just wanted to let you guys know there is going to be a part 2 if you stick this long. Like, subscribe. You know, there's going to be more content. And don't forget, once we get to 100 subscribers, we will be having a $100 giveaway. Just to show the appreciation on the support. You guys might be like, oh, well, oh, sorry. You guys might be like, oh, well, 100 is not really nothing. But, you know, I kind of want to get to 100 as fast as we can. So we will be doing the $100 giveaway. More things for the car coming, you know. I'm putting a light bar eventually. Don't know when. I don't know. I kind of want to make this car into a sleeper. If you guys don't know what a sleeper is, it's like something that looks like it doesn't race, you know, something that kind of says it all in the name, you know, that you don't expect to be fast or something like that, you know. All right, so a lot of things coming for this car. Eventually we will be tuning it, making it faster, and we'll see how this works out, you know. But this all for today. Like, subscribe, and tomorrow's video will be a bang.
Jesus Christ is my nigga.